I'm going to be creating hush curls on Rafika's hair, one of Dyson's trending 2026 styles. So this is a really nice, glamorous, sophisticated style. It's going to be perfect on your hair. I'm going to be using the Airwrap Co 2X, and I'm going to coach you through all of the steps as we create it. So we want to start with freshly washed hair. I'm going to put in a little bit of leave-in conditioner just to help detangle and hydrate the hair before we start styling. So I'm just going to do a few sprays. The next step is to use some Pre-style cream. What I like about the Chitosan Pre-style cream is that it's a really, really lightweight hold. So it's going to keep your curls in as long as possible, but you won't feel it.
And we use that with the leave-in conditioner, and it's not going to weigh it down at all?
No, the leave-in conditioner is really light, so I like to put that through first as a detangler. And then I take a few pumps of the Pre-style cream and just rake it through from about here down. So now I'm going to use our Co 2X Airwrap, high speed, high flow, blast that to about 80%. So I've split your hair into two clean halves, right through to the back, and then pick one side. And I'm just gonna subdivide about this much here. I'm just gonna clip this section up. I'm gonna use one of our claw clips because you do have a nice good amount of hair. And I'm gonna start curling. So I'm gonna use the 40mm barrel so that we get a nice loose, soft curl. But if your hair's really fine and you want it tighter, you can use the 30mm as well. Now, I don't know if you've used this before, but you can change the direction of a curl here. So I'm gonna do it away for this style.
Why do we curl away?
So depending on the style that you're going for, like you can close the face off, you can open it up. With this one, we just want to kind of open the face up and have the curls like tumbling away from your face.
Okay.
The trick when using Airwrap is to hold the section a couple of inches from the bottom, so you've got a nice dangly piece of hair, and then end the barrel, and it will just catch. Okay? And then just move in towards the hair, and then once that's heated, use your cold shot, and then stop. So yeah, I'm going to let you have a go. If you hold and have a little dangly piece with one hand, and then turn on, and then it's ends to barrels, just like a tap. Nice. That's it. You can let it go, move up to the head. So let that dry. If you hold that line button and press it, that will make the air go cold. And then you can turn it off, which is the round button again, and then just pull down. See, I'm not doing magic tricks. Like, it works just as well for you as it does for me. I will carry on so that you can relax. For the top ones, the only thing I do slightly differently is I lift the section a little higher. So I'm going to lift it up like this.
Okay.
To get a nice bit of height. And then I'm turning it so I'm a bit more horizontal. I'm going to repeat all those steps over here. I'm going to turn the direction.
Flip it.
Yeah, so now it's coming back.
Okay.
All right. And then we just go for it. We've got all the curls in, and the next step is that we're going to dress it out. So I like to use the Dyson Detangling comb, starting at the ends, and I'm just going to tilt your head back. This is when they become like really nice and voluminous. Spray a bit of mist.
Is this the multi-use again?
Yes, yeah. Then we like to do that magic moment. Bring it all forward and show you.
Look at that.
The gorgeous thing about the hush curls is it's nice and glamorous, but it's airy and bouncy. Like, you can touch your hair, feel it, tell me what you think.
Oh, she's not crunchy at all.
No, really soft. And that will hold and keep the curls for you. So I'm going to show you at the back, but all of the curls just tumble in and feel really soft and romantic, and suits you. Just looks gorgeous. There you go. I hope you love it.
I do, thank you. And now I can create this at home.
Yes, yeah, even better.